Tata
Tata
means
bye bye.
tata bye bye. And
Tata
namaste.
bye bye. Okay, I learned. Oh, I only know namaste. Now
Yeah,
I know tata bye bye.
namaste is a typical Indian language to say bye, namaste, or say
Mm-hmm.
hi, bye, both for both. Hi.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Okay, Janet, what things I should ask? Like, yeah, I really want to know about IELTS examination. So, how one can prepare if he or she really wants to prepare for that examination. So, could you please elaborate things about
Mm,
related?
okay. You need to prepare for it when you need to take it. Let's say you're planning to study abroad, then that's the time that you need to take or to prepare for the test. You need to review for the test. Some students I know, they are just planning or they have just taught studying abroad, but they don't have plan to go there yet. But they're already preparing for the exam, so it will be easier for them to answer the test. Some
Mm-hmm.
people go abroad because they need to work there and they need to take IELTS. So that's the time that they also need to review. And when you take IELTS, you need to know your purpose. Why are you taking IELTS? Are you going to study abroad? Are you going to work abroad? Are you going to immigrate? Because there are lots of purposes to go abroad. And you're going to pick which IELTS test you're going to take because there are two kinds of tests. It could be academic and it could be general
Jan.
training.
Yeah.
Yes. So if it's academic generally, when you need to study abroad, take master's degree, PhD, or you're going to attend training, stuff like that. But if it's general training, it's more on working, immigration, going abroad. Yes. So the first thing that you need to know, well, why you are taking the IELTS test is you need to know your purpose. Yes, because IELTS is expensive and you
Yes.
need to know. You need to know carefully what you need to take. And once you know it, then that's the time that um you review for it. There are a lot of resources on the internet,
Mm-hmm.
and there are also a lot of IELTS trainers out there that you can contact. Yes, online. You know, when you
Yes.
have internet, everything is accessible. So yeah, and the IELTS have four parts. There is speaking test, listening, reading, and writing. And so you need to learn techniques, strategies for each skill. And one thing I can say about IELTS is it's an exam of vocabulary. Yes, you have to know wider English vocabulary so you can understand the reading, you can understand the listening,
Listening.
you can speak more when they interview you. When you know a lot of vocabularies, you can write more defined sentences and ideas in your essays or in your writing test. So
Yeah.
yeah, I think that's what generally IELTS is.
Yeah. 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 I know somehow these things. But I know, I mean, I didn't have any plan, I mean, earlier to go abroad. But for general purpose, it might be possible that somebody will not pass this examination for the first time. It takes time.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe somebody has to sit twice or thrice. It depends on how much someone prepared. Someone
Right.
prepared. So my intention was earlier, like I built a pressure that somehow
Mm-hmm.
I learn English. So
Mm-hmm.
I started practicing, and I came to know about all course that four aspects of English: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Then I felt that if it is always good if you want to become a teacher or trainer, so if you have these certificates, so it is helpful for someone if she or he want to become an English trainer, if they don't have plan to go abroad, or academic purpose, or immigration purpose, whatever. So is it helpful?
IELTS, it depends. For example, you can be an IELTS trainer actually if you have IELTS certificate or if you attend some IELTS training. Then you can have a job that way. What else? Basically, IELTS is a testing of English as an international language.
Language.
That's why
Yes.
they test your English. It's because you will go to another country and the medium of language is English. I haven't heard of someone, or I haven't heard about taking IELTS in your home country just for a job in your home country.
Mhm.
Normally, um, test takers who take the IELTS are going abroad. They
Okay.
will really go abroad like that. But if you
Mhm.
want to be like a teacher, let's say for me,
Mhm.
I teach English as a second language, and I also took another training for teachers. It's
Mhm.
called TESOL.
That's all.
Just a
Yeah.
training, but it's not an exam. So yeah, you will be trained and you will get a certificate. But as for the IELTS test, you will take the exam, you will
Mhm.
prepare for it, you will take the exam, and you're gonna get a certificate. And the certificate is valid for 2 years.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, there's validity.
All right.
Mm, yeah, test takers should know that there's no pass or fail in
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
IELTS test. It's just that you need to have a target score
And
and you need to band score. Yeah, and you need to target that. If you cannot get that, then perhaps you need to take the test again.
okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, it is good. So I need to change my plan right now.
Really? How
Yeah.
would you like to be an English teacher or what?
Yes, yes. Uh, this is like my desire. That's why I'm learning speaking practice I'm doing. And but I really want to learn all aspects of English, like reading, writing. So this is how I can make pressure on my shoulder, on my brain, and I will learn things, because this is very necessary for me. Without pressure, I can't do anything.
Really? Oh, cool. You can work under pressure.
Yeah, yeah. And you,
Oh, that's
what
nice.
is
But
your,
now, I mean,
yeah. Yeah,
sorry? Oh,
I'm not getting you. Yes,
hello.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. Yeah.
You were saying something.
I mean, I'm curious now. What do you do for now?
All right. So I'm a teacher also in my native place. Yeah, I teach
Ah,
children. Yeah, I'm a primary teacher. And apart from that, I'm running my own YouTube, and I have a little bit interest on share market as well. So these are the things I'm working on. Right now I'm focusing on YouTube more, because my channel is monetized, and you know how we have to work more to grow our channel.
right.
Yeah, so yeah, nowadays I'm what should I say, I am busy in these works, but I uh, could not focus on practices because of these work. So practice is very
Mm,
important. If you really want to learn something, you have to give time. Without giving time,
right.
without putting efforts, we cannot learn things. So yeah, that's why I always tell that I need some pressure
Yeah.
to
Okay. Cool.
practice. Yeah, yeah. So
Yes.
yeah, I want to know from you that what are the things make you learn? I mean, if you really want to learn new things, So it is like desire, and you just thought about that, think about that, then you just start your practicing. It is like that.
Motivation. You need to have motivation. That's your key. That's your force. That's what will force you to do that thing if you really want it. Like, I have a lot of English students. They want to improve their English, but at first, later on, they're not motivated to do it like that. Or they want to improve their English, but they don't have motivation to start. So, motivation is the key. You have to be determined. Oh, motivation is the key to start something, and you have determination to continue that thing.
Yes, yes,
Yes, practice. You have to have determination while you're practicing, I think.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah, you're right. Motivation is a very important aspects of learning something and make, which help you to maintain your consistency. Without consistency, nobody can get anything in their life.
Mm-hmm. That's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah. Okay, Janet. So I think we have talked enough.
Okay.
I feel like we are talkative person.
It's all right. I really enjoyed talking with you. You're so positive. I can feel the positive aura, and I feel comfortable talking with you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
I am feeling the same for you because I would like to have a more session with you, like how we can engage ourselves into new things, and it is beneficial for our audience as well. Maybe
Mm-hmm.
we will know more about IELTS examinations and things.
Sure. Yeah, we
Yeah.
can talk about it. Sure. So we can know what kind of things that IELTS also offer because it's quite um wide. It's broad. It's a really
Yes.
broad topic.
And
Yeah.
we can discuss like what are the practices we need to do if somebody really wants to crack that examination, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay,
All
so
right.
now this is the time to say tata bye bye. We say tata bye bye, na, tata bye bye.
Is that how you say bye bye in Indian?
Yes, yes, tata
Tata
means
bye bye.
tata bye bye. And
Tata
namaste.
bye bye. Okay, I learned. Oh, I only know namaste. Now
Yeah,
I know tata bye bye.
namaste is a typical Indian language to say bye, namaste, or say
Mm-hmm.
hi, bye, both for both. And tata is for like tata bye bye. It's like that.
Ah, okay. I've probably heard of that in an Indian movie. We frequently watch Indian movies. Sometimes we make biryani rice at home with my husband.
All right.
We like Indian food. Yeah, and Indian movies. We really love it.
Great, great.
Okay. It's time to say tata bye bye.
Yeah, it's time to say tata bye bye. All right, Janet.
Yeah.
It was lovely chatting with you. Thank you for joining me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Tata
Bye.
bye bye.
Yeah.